Welcome to the Real Miracles. And today in this video, I'm going to tell you why your life is so boring. Yes, in this lockdown period when everyone stuck at their homes, they all are feeling unhappiness. They're feeling depression, anxiety. Why is it so? There are few reasons behind it. So let's dive into it. Okay, so number one point is making improvements. Yes, it's very essential. Whenever we do something, the most important person in your life is you. And if you get bored with yourself, then there is something wrong. Okay, so we have to figure it out why. So number one thing is making improvements. You have to improve your skills, whether it's interpersonal or communication skills or in computer coding or any kind of other skill. So it's important that you make some little changes so that your life become colorful, and it is possible. But when you open your mind to the new things, you always have to broaden your horizons and always have to develop curiosity to know everything. And I actually mean it. I think we all have need some knowledge about any topic under the sun, really. And it makes our life very different. Just try it once. Start it very simple. For example, you all have internet, right? We all use social media applications like Instagram, Facebook, and many more. So why not you start communicating with different person? For example, if you are an engineer, then start communicating with person who are from different background, who have studied something different like painting, drawing, singing. Okay, so because when you do the communication with that kind of people, you will definitely analyze the difference between your perspective, and it's really essential. Okay, these little changes can make your life more interesting. Even you find someone very compatible, and I mean to say that you can easily find your partner as well if you do this. It's real, definitely. Okay, or other thing I want to include in this point is like changes in your lifestyle. For example, start doing exercise, or even start changing your dress ups. Like if you a person who always like to wear suits, especially girls, try to change this and try to include some different kind of clothes in your wardrobe. It definitely change your life. It definitely make your life more interesting. Yes. This second point, I am going to discuss about gymming, exercising, and walking. Even I include this point in my, earlier point, but I want to explain it, right? Why? Because it's my personal experience. I used to be very negative person, very negative. I have wasted my 4 years of life. I have wasted fucking 4 years, and in that 4 years, I have learned so much. But at that moment I was so negative. I was totally negative because I always feel that I failed in this thing. Now I'm trying something different, then I always assume that I will again fail in this thing also. So when I started doing exercising, and I start with a little walk, right? Firstly I started with 10 minutes and then 20 minutes, and definitely it reduced my weight. It helps me to improve my immune, and it makes me more fresh. In the past I used to wake up at 9 a.m., 10 a.m., this that. So if you want to be more vibrant, energetic, and a very different kind of person, then you have to start this. You always, what we do, we always pick up any mobile phone, and then we start searching on Google, right? How to make our life improvement, how to reduce the weight, how to do gymming, blah blah blah. Just start the things which you have. Just start doing walking, right? Brisk walking, and start doing stairs. That gonna work for you, definitely. Okay, so number third point is going to be different, and it's really my favorite. And we always ignore it. And no one talks about this. No one. But as I have experienced a lot of failures, anxiety, depression, unemployment, at that moment I found this point is to be very interesting. So no more chatting. I will dive into it. And it is the things which we want to do in our childhood. Yes, the things which we love when we are in our childhood. I uh, okay, let us suppose that you are a person who like painting when you are a child, but due to educational stress and due to your parental pressure, you do not give much time to your hobbies, or drawing, painting, singing, whatever it is. But now you are a youngster, right? You have some quality time, and the number one thing, you have a internet. Okay, you have a internet, you can use any kind of platform to show your talent to others. So it's important, do this, right? Make a list of that. Just try to remember your old past beautiful memories. It will going to be work for you. Just make a list of this, and believe me, if you can believe me only 1%, right? Believe me, do these things, it will change your life. I have experienced, I used to be a negative person, I used to be a failure, and and I used to be so negative that you can't even imagine, right? If anything good happens, I always find the negativity in that area also. So you have to change yourself if you do these things. I have just prepared these lists by brainstorming, and it's my totally personal experience. Everything is my personal experience. The videos which I made, no bookish language, no practical concept, which I always listen on YouTube from various famous authors and motivational speakers. No, this is going to be very different. As I am a younger, right? You are a younger, you can easily imagine the life, right? So I know what kind of difficulty you are facing now, what kind of tensions you have. So please follow these. And now our fifth point is, talk with yourself. It's not boring. Believe me, it's not boring. Just doing it. Just do it for 5 minutes, do it for 10 minutes, and you will definitely find the best person in your life. I told you, best person. So do this. So I want to challenge you, and the challenge is, it's 21-day challenge. You have to do this for 21 days. Even changing your clothes, changing your lifestyle, doing exercise, drinking a lot of waters, try to wake up at 7 a.m., 6 a.m., right? So these some little changes can make you a very different person. If you can't do these things, just try to spend time with strangers. And if you feel less confident, then do chatting with children. Really, you will find the happiness, real happiness. Okay, do chatting with older people, as I always mention in my videos, always. So please do this, and these things going to be work for you. I always try to make small videos so that you can't get bored. Only relevant information get passed through this media. So please do these things, and follow my Instagram account at the rate the real miracles. I'm going to mention here. Go there, and you will definitely find positivity. And even I daily update with new quotes, and the lines which came when I woke up. I always wrote it down there. So please follow me on Instagram, and follow my YouTube channel, subscribe it, and like this. And even on podcast, it's the real miracles. So please like this and share this with your friends, because it's important. It gives me motivation when I found even one follower, right? Whenever I found even one follower, I feel motivated, I feel happiness. So it's important. So thanks for watching this video, audio, what in what way you are consuming. Thanks for your precious time, and thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.